Hello my friends and welcome back. So today we're checking out these LED lights. So let's see what we get in here. Looks like we got different brackets. We got a remote control. Let's open this up here. Just a quick over the remote. So that is the remote. You have all these different features and colors. They provide you with another, so you actually have another on-light remote as well that you can use. That's a wireless remote. This will be connected for your lights. This is your power source. Your power source connects to this hub right here, and this connects to the wall. Plenty of cable length for running. Let's go ahead and check out the lights. All right, so these are the lights, LEDs. So it's actually pretty simple. On the bottom of these lights, there's going to be a sticky, almost like 3M tape that you peel back and then you stick them. And you get two sections of lights. You can use their app. So they have an app. There's tons of different apps that you guys can use. Some people like to use one app for all different types of lights. You guys can do that, but they'll provide you an app. You guys can add that. Because we actually have our own app to control multiple lights, we're going to use an app that we've been using for many years now. But let's go ahead and install this, show you guys what it looks like. All right, guys, I went ahead and ran the cable from down through here. I hit it. You guys can see the black line. I hid it behind these fake clouds, so I'm gonna go ahead and power this on, show you guys what this looks like. So all right, right away you guys can see the strip running down there. We ran it up here to kind of act like it's going up into our clouds. So let's see here. There you guys can see the strip. So if you guys can look down there, we ran the strip down on the bottom. We only ran one strip so far. So if you see on the wall, the strip running behind the TV up into the clouds, we still need to run another strip. So we're gonna go ahead and run the other strip and get it set up. All right, guys, I went ahead and removed the clouds and put in a strip behind the clouds that runs right up from right here. It runs the whole way over through here to make this cloud ceiling pop out. Now what I did was I connected the strips separately so I can manually change the colors on each individual strip. So this strip we have connected to one app. This strip we have connected to another app and another power source because I wanted to be able to have it separate for behind the TV. Instead of being one solid color or changing different setups, I want to be able to control the top so it matches our other clouds. Because if you guys look over here, we've been working on this cloud ceiling for a while. So this is a whole nother kit from another company, and this is from this company. As you guys can see, the color is very nice. I like it. There's a lot of things that you guys can do, and of course it's still daytime, so at nighttime it looks killer. Overall, I like the LED lights, and it definitely stands out, and I'm happy with them. They're working good so far. I'll do a 6-month update.